guys, how's it going? AlexTheGrumpyOne here. I hope you're well. Today we've got Scirocco in and we're going to be replacing the wing covers today. So this is the gloss black ones that I've got. Same color as the badges that I've done recently. You might have seen my previous video. So we're going to show you today how to replace the cover. Obviously show you the quality of it. It looks good. Exactly the same color as the badges. You might have seen my previous video when I done the indicator unit. I removed the cover, but I'm going to do it all again just to show you obviously how to do it all and what it's going to look like afterwards when you fit them on there. So the other thing I would like to say, guys, while we're here is thank you very much for the support so far. It has been amazing, and thanks to that I managed to get some deals with a few companies, including this one and the one that you've seen my videos on the LED lights and a couple of others. That I got some discounts for you, for all my followers and subscribers, obviously on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube. So yeah, I'm gonna post all that stuff on my groups and share it on my social media, some discount codes for you. Obviously this is a thank you for all your support. I think it's a good idea, and obviously then more we grow, then obviously more companies will get on board and get better discounts for you as well soon. So yeah, I'm gonna update that soon for you. So stay in touch, stay tuned, guys, and like I said, hit that subscribe button so you're obviously up to date with everything. So yeah, thank you very much for that, and now we're gonna carry on and replace our covers. Right, so in the package you're going to get two covers, obviously one for each side. It also comes with the tools that are going to help you get the original cover off, which is brilliant, so you don't need to buy any tools. And it comes well packed, obviously open one of them, but it comes with two bubble wraps already protecting it, which is great, and paper cover there as well. Let's just get this one off. I haven't seen this one yet. So obviously all the fittings look similar to the genuine original unit. And the finish looks great, as you can see, nice and shiny. Like I said, same as the badges. Right, so to get the cover off, we got the tool that came with the covers that we got here. So the best way to do this is to get the tool under there. As you can see, the bigger bit, hopefully gonna work. You can see it starts lifting it up. So it's only plastic clips to hold it on, and work your way towards this side. Obviously the tool is plastic, so it's not going to scratch anything. Just try and pop it off. There you go, it's started popping off already. Lovely, it's starting to come off. Just grab hold of it so you don't drop it. And that has come off. As you can see, the fittings look exactly the same as the other one. I will say, obviously I had to remove this before because I installed the indicator. It was a bit harder to get it off the first time. Obviously it come off a lot easier now because the clips are quite hard, and obviously it's been on the sun. So yeah, just patient and work your way around it and just try and pop it off, guys. Like I said, it's only helped by the little plastic clips that you got in there. Right, so like I said, guys, the fittings are exactly the same. I just compared them both, looks good. So now we're ready just to put it back on. Nice and easy, make sure you don't scratch it. Just slide it over the top. There you go, it's time to go on. Just locate it properly everywhere. There you go. Over that. Clipped in. And I think we are on. Yeah, lovely. That's the last one. Yeah, that's looking good. Make sure it's secure. So here we are, fitted the other side as well. Looks very good. The fit, like I said, like genuine one, fits in there properly, no gaps, looks good. Because you never know with your aftermarket stuff how it's gonna fit, but that looks very good. Same on the passenger side. So yeah, happy with it. I hope you enjoyed the video as well. If you did, don't forget to subscribe, comment below, give us a like as well, and share with your friends. And obviously read the description below to get the links to obviously get in touch on social media to get up-to-date discount codes, not just for the unit but for everything on the website and all the other websites that I've introduced as well. That's what I'm saying, just stay up to date with my Facebook and Instagram as well, because I will be updating that constantly with new companies, new products, and like I said, it works for all the cars, not just Sciroccos. So yeah, thank you very much for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you soon. Bye.